Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can invite bots in your specific server. So in this case, choose the server first. Like I'm choosing from here this server. Okay. Now, if you want to invite bot in this server, choose just open a new tab and write here the bot name. Like I want to invite Me6 bot. Or there are many bots you will find here. If you write here also that Discord bots names, you'll find many bots. You can find many bots. Just type one name here, like I'm typing Me6 bot. Click, hit enter. Then you'll find the first link, Me6 the best Discord bot for your server. Click on this link. Make sure you are logged in from web browser. Okay, any Chrome browser or web browser. Then just click here, add to Discord. After that, choose the server you want to invite that bot from here, like GS2, this one. Just click on setup. Then you have to click on continue. Scroll down and you'll find here authorize. Click on authorize and prove that you're a human by ticking here. Just click here once. You can see here Me6 bot is coming to the server. Let's check. Hold on, it's loading. Okay friends, choose for what you are making this server. Okay, you can see here that Me6 bot is welcome Me6 bot, we hope you best pizza bot pizza. Okay, so you can see that Me6 bot is here. So guys, this is how you can invite a bot in a server. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.